Australia's corporate cop puts the super industry on notice for failing to support people when they needed it the most.
You cannot outsource the responsibilities that you've got to your members.
Cbus manages $94 billion, but stands accused of taking too long to pay insurance claims, putting members in tough situations.
Families waiting on payments, whether grieving for a loved one or dealing with severe injury or illness, are reliant on these payments to meet critical expenses.
ASIC alleges by the end of December 2022, there were more than 7,000 total and permanent disability claims, 56% of which had not been resolved within 365 days. There were 3,622 death claims and 53% still outstanding after a year. Cbus reported the breach to ASIC in December 2023, estimating members had suffered $20 million in losses.
So the kind of things we will see is people not being able to meet their basic living expenses or pay their medical costs. They might be falling behind on debts.
Cbus blamed its outsourced claims handling company for the delays. The regulator said, you can't do that. ASIC doesn't suggest the behaviour was a deliberate attempt to hold on to the money. But the regulator does allege that Cbus failed to report the delays in a timely manner and provided misleading information about it. The fund, which manages my superannuation, apologised to members and said it had started a compensation program and was cooperating with the regulator. Cbus Super is sorry that delays have been experienced in the processing of insurance claims made by our members. Regrettably, this has added to the distress of members and their families. But the issue may be much bigger than just one fund.
I think it's fair to say that we do think this is a broader industry issue.
ASIC is writing to the CEOs of every superannuation trustee, warning them about their concerns, as others put forward solutions.
We're only talking about 10,000 people at one fund here. This must be a bigger problem, and it's really unclear why the funds are failing. What we want to see is the government set some mandatory service standards that people can expect from their fund when they need them to act.
At their most difficult time, some members have been let down by their super fund.